Hi, and welcome to Crypto Finder. Today we're going to show you how to get started with buying the digital asset XRP. And we're going to demonstrate using the Coinbase exchange. But as you'll see with this page that I've got open here, it's a guide on how to buy, sell, and trade XRP, and it includes a whole list of exchanges. So to get started, what I'll ask you to do is actually open up this page, which is in the description of today's video. So as you can see, it's a simple step-by-step guide to buying XRP with all the instructions laid out. And if you scroll further down, there's actually a list of exchanges that you can choose from. Now, you probably came to this video because you were searching for Coinbase, which is what I'm going to actually use to show you today. But I just wanted to point out that there is a whole range of exchanges that you can choose from, and they all vary in what they offer, what the fees are, what countries they service, and what sort of fiat currencies there are. So while you may have only heard of one exchange, I do recommend that you actually go and compare and find the right exchange for you. And that's basically what Finder is all about, allowing you to compare all the different services that are out there and find the best thing for you. Now, this guide does also have a bit of an explainer of what XRP is, fundamental analysis down there at the bottom, and a whole lot of other stuff. So it gives you a bit more background on XRP as well. But let's dive right in and get started using Coinbase. And so just click on the link there. And by going through Finder and using our link to get to Coinbase, you also get a special offer from Coinbase where you get $10 of free Bitcoin for the first $100 that you spend on cryptocurrency in US dollar equivalent. So whether that's XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, after you spend the equivalent of 100 US dollars, they'll give you $10 worth of Bitcoin for free, which is just a pretty awesome way to get started in crypto. So first thing you'll need to do is click on Get Started to sign up for Coinbase. You'll then be asked for your details, email, password. You'll then have to go through a short KYC process, which is Know Your Customer, and there you just have to prove your identity, basically using an ID, passport, driver's license, something like that, and then you'll actually be able to go onto the Coinbase exchange and start buying cryptocurrency. Okay, so now that you've created your Coinbase account, you can get started purchasing XRP at last. So of course, the next step to do is to add a payment method to your Coinbase account. So you can add anything like a bank account, credit card, or debit card. And I believe that if you've created an account for the first time, there should be a box up around here on the left-hand side which invites you to add a payment method. Of course, my account's a little bit old, but if that's not there, then you can go down to Buy Now, and if you click on that, it will give you an option to add a payment method. So once your payment method is added, the next thing to do is to go up to Prices. This is where we're going to find all the cryptocurrencies available to us and the price that they're currently selling for. So as you can see, we've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and several other cryptocurrencies. I'll just explain what these columns here mean quickly. So price is the current price per unit of cryptocurrency, so 10,920 per Bitcoin, 32 cents per XRP. The change represents the change in price over the past 24 hours. So for Bitcoin, it means that it's now 0.75% of a single percent more expensive than it was 24 hours ago. Likewise, if we look at Litecoin down here, it's now about 2% cheaper than it was 24 hours ago, and so on, so forth. So for XRP, which is our example, we can see that it's about 1% more expensive than it was 24 hours ago. Market cap is just the total valuation of the cryptocurrency market cap for that crypto. So as you can see, Bitcoin, it's around $200 billion worth, whereas the other cryptocurrencies are quite a bit less. They've, not quite got the market share that Bitcoin does. So to trade XRP, we of course click on Trade, and then we type in the amount of fiat currency we want to spend on the cryptocurrency. So if, for example, you want to buy $50 worth of XRP, maybe you want to buy $70, or maybe you want to buy $100 worth. Now, for anyone with a keen eye, you would have seen that mine is in euros. Don't worry about that. That's just because my payment method is in euros. So once you type in the amount that you're willing to pay or that you want to pay, you go to Preview Purchase. And what that will do is it will break everything down in greater detail. It will show you for 100 euros or $100 how much XRP you will receive, what the going rate is, how much of that 100 is going onto the cryptocurrency, and how much of it is being spent on fees. And you can click on that question mark for more information about Coinbase fees. And then it shows you the total. So it's just a simple price breakdown. And if you're happy with that, you go ahead and click on Buy Now. Now it really is as simple as that. So I hope that has clearly explained to you how to get started buying XRP with US dollars or any other fiat currency that's supported by Coinbase. There is, of course, the option to use Coinbase Pro if you want to set your own price rather than using the price that's outlined for you here. But that's all from me for today. If there's any more information you'd like about XRP or Coinbase, just ask us in the comment section below and we should get back to you within 24 hours or so. We're pretty quick with that. And if you did find this video helpful, please give us a like, consider subscribing, as it lets us know what sort of content we should make in the future. So that's it from me. So have a great week, everyone, and all the best in your cryptocurrency trading.